Hello dear students, we are here again with the inequality equation. Right now we will sketch the graph. Using the quadratic formula. Right now we have the formula minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, we need to choose the value of abc. Coefficient of x square is a, that is minus 1, b is minus 6, and c, the constant number, is 2. Okay, just place the value in this formula. B is minus 6, B is again minus 6, A is minus 1, C is 2, and A is minus 1. When you solve it, you will get two values of x, that is minus 3 minus root 11, because we have two plus and negative sign, therefore we have with negative sign and one value with the positive sign. Right now we are given with the equation, this whole equation is less than 0. Okay, and here we have two things to note. X square coefficient is negative, so the curve will be like inverted U shape. Plus we need all those values of x where y is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so if I stand, I just need to make the curve like this. Okay, the negative value will be real number line on the left hand side, the positive value will be real number line on the right hand side. Okay, we need all those values of y where the y or the curve is equal to 0 or less than 0. Here you see the curve is just intersecting the x-axis. This is the x-axis. Here the value of y or the value of the curve is equal to 0. So this will be also included. Students, here we have this negative root. Okay, so we need all those values of the curve or y that is less than equal to 0. So here we have on the x-axis, just on the x-axis the y equal to 0 or the curve is 0, and just below it the curve is going on these values are y is less than 0. Similarly, on the positive side, minus 3 plus root 11, here if we stand on the root on the value just on the x-axis, y is equal to 0 because we need equal to 0, so we have equal to 0. And if we go just on the right hand side of this value, we have this shaded part as y is going on the negative side. Okay, on just below the x-axis, so we need this shaded part and this shaded part. So for this shaded part we have less than equal to 0, this value and this value before this point, or less than equal to 0. We say x less than minus 3 minus root 11. Similarly, we need all those values where the curve is less than 0. So this is the point where the curve is 0 or y is 0. Plus these values, on these values the curve is going below x-axis or y equal to 0. So greater than this value. Okay, so we have x greater than equal to minus 3 plus root 11.